Good afternoon everyone, I'm Master J. Singa and I'm here to teach you how to calculate the loop current method. So here we have the given 15 volts, R1 15 ohms, R2 45 ohms, R3 48 ohms, R4 11 ohms, and R5 4 ohms. So first you have to calculate the loop 1. So in loop 1 we have 15 volts, R1 15 ohms, and R2 45 ohms. So we have to use this formula. V1 minus R1 multiplied by I1 minus I3 minus R2 multiplied by I1 minus I2 is equals to 0. So we have to plug in all the values and simplify it. So after you simplify the given value, we are going to calculate. So we have here 15 in loop 1. So let's proceed to loop 2. So in loop 2, we have the given R2 45 ohms, R3 48 ohms, and R4 11 ohms. So we have to use the formula again and plug in all the values and calculate. So after we calculate, we're going to arrive at the answer is equal to 0 in loop 2. And in loop 3, we're going to do the same method, which is use the formula, plug in and simplify. And we're going to arrive at 0 answer also in loop 3. So let's proceed to the matrix. We're going to plug in the values from loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. So in loop 1, 60, negative 45, negative 15. In loop 2, negative 45, 104, negative 48. In loop 3, negative 15, negative 48, and 67. So you're going to plug it in your calculator, then you will arrive at the answer of 55,965. To solve for delta 3, you're going to repeat the process, which is plug in the loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. But in the column 4, you're going to plug in the answer of each loop. So after you type it in your calculator, you're going to arrive at the answer of 28,013. So now let's calculate for the current. So we're going to use the formula of delta 3 divided by delta. So we're going to substitute 28,013 divided by 55,965, and the answer would be 0.50 amps. Good afternoon everyone. So